For important technique, you need to be master that to improve your English. What if I told you that want to improve your English faster than ever? Then here are the 4 important technique that can help you grow your stronger and smarter and more focused. Don't wait for something starting from this today. Anything of our life, in anything, starting is very important. So start from this today. Don't wait. Please, don't wait for something. If you new here, my name is Tonmoy. I especially make video improving English, personal development, and also reveal financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you get immense outcome in your learning or in your future way. So don't wait. Let's jump in. Hey, basically I survey that in my channel, some audience or subscriber, they are always watching my video, but they don't like my video, they don't subscribe my video. Why? Because your one subscribe, your one like, your one comment is very important more than mind thinking. So please do that and keep going, watching the video till the end. Don't skip the video. Let's move on. In your life or my life, sometimes you listen that be consistent with 2 minutes or 5 minutes with your indomitable desire, what actually you deserve from your hard work. Now we move on step number 1, the 5-minute rules. Why it's more important than you think. Sometimes you always think about your future, but you don't think about system. What is actually system and why it matters, like 5 minutes, why it matters in your learning way. Just think about that. Right now, if you take a decision to learn English fun or easy way, then in every single day, even if you are explaining, just 5 minutes practice your English. That's actually help you to grow your English, to improve your learning English. That's actually shortcut way to improve your English. So please try to happen in your life and make it implement. Without implement, you can't achieve your goal. Without happening, you can't arrive in your future. So please try to happen. Without happening, you can't get anything. That's very easy. Well, how to start this 5-minute rules in your learning way? As a beginner, sometimes you feels lots of problem. That's very okay. But you commitment with yourself, sometimes you will be hopeless. That's very simple. Yes, that's very easy. But you just come from that. You just come from the darkness, the obsession. Darkness is nothing. Sometimes you listen the motivation line that the night when is coming, but after night, the day is coming. So don't wait for that someone help you. No, you always you have to remove your darkness, your obsession with yourself. No one help you. Just remember that if in the world have a dark night, then in same the world has a day night. So that's actually nightmare of you. Don't get stuck and practice your English even every single day, even 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Just take a decision. Yes, properly and gradually. I hope you understand. And now we move on. Step number 2, visualize your day. Before in my one video, I say that visualize your day. Without visualizing, you don't understand what basically you want and act like on what you want to be. That is very, very easy and that's possible if you want. Why visualize is more important than you thinking ability, your thinking positive way. Why? Sometimes in scientifically say that when you act like that what you want to be, because your mind right now don't understand that what you want to be. I think experimental or real mental thinking ability. But when you think about like Elon Musk, right now you want to be Elon Musk, just guess. Obviously, just suppose that you want to be Bill Gates. So your mind always take this perception, you want to be like that, and your mind always follow you this way, always take a instruction, take a structure like of that what you want to be. So that's the very simple way to get lots of motivation, lots of idea to set up your goals to arrive in your future. So please visualize your day like when you practice your English in every single day, but you understand English but you can't speak in English. Why it actually happens with you? Why? Is there any problem, or is there any big problem that actually happen with you? Why? Because you are not practicing your English in every single day. You are not consistent and you don't follow 5-minute rules. Please follow 5-minute rules and visualize your day. Act like what you want to be. Right now, if you think that you want to be English speaker, then act like me. What actually I speaking in English in every single day. Just go in my channel and check it out, my channel. My attitude, my gesture, copy myself. Yes, without copying, you can't get real outcome. You can't understand the structure, the way. Sometimes you think that success is very easy. Yes, success is a term and its listening is very easy. But when you try to happen, it's so much hard. Yes, because right now I face the problem. As a beginner, we also face a lots of problem sometimes. But to get success, it's very, very difficult. Without consistent, without staying with your indomitable desire, your unstoppable dream, you can't achieve. You can't gain this success. So please don't hang out, don't waste your time with unreasonable thinking ability. Start using this formula to get improving English, to learning English. Hey dear, are you still there? I really, really amazed at you that you are supporting me. Okay, don't worry. Now we move on step number 3. Teach what you learn about you. In today, just take a short story that you are working in another person field and you have studied, right? And you have no time to practice your English, right? Okay, I just take a assume. Even I am also busy. I am working in another person field and I have studied and my father has a stall and in this stall I am working hours and hours. I have no any time to spend unreasonable thinking with my friends. I can't waste my time with my friends who has never unstoppable dream to fill up. So it's totally your excuse because you always find your excuse. But don't look at this excuse. Just find out this way that how actually you practice your English, how basically improve your English, can improve your English. That's basically happening with yourself in all the time. We always focus in negative thoughts. We don't find a positive way how to solve the problem. Well, I really taken your conversation that you are really so much busy. But in whole the day of your today, why not you use your day? Why not you use your time? When you working in another person field, when you are scrolling in your phone, why not you practice your English? Even if you are practicing like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, even one word, you have to make a sentence in every single day. That's your motivation, that's your success, and that's actually teach with yourself. Teach to yourself what you learn. Then today you working in your father's stall. That's your niche. That's your top secret summarization. Create a one short story with your father's stall working. That your headline like that, I am working in my father's stall. So in every day you create a short story like that. And you in your father's stall, obviously in every days like separate log, like separate person incoming in your stall. So you always follow their behavior, your attitude, their gesture, their talking. So just take a niche, take a topic about that and create your short story and teach about yourself to you that today I listen this conservative way. Today I watching this podcast. Today I notice this person behavior is very good. And from yesterday I noticed that this person looking eyes is very good. So there are lots of topic. There are lots of niche to create short story to practice your English. But after that you feel stuck. You don't wake up. Why? It's totally your problem. Please wake up. If you have a lots of time to improve your English, please wake up. Well, when you check out your work in every single day to finish and you get a real outrageous energy to start a new journey, right? So you have to same thing apply. Now we move on. Step number 4, track your wins like small steps. Yes, in every single day you have to track your wins. If you start any journey in learning way, then please in every single day check out or track your learning. Check out your wins. Like you practice your English today 2 minutes, then surprise about yourself, praise about yourself that yes, I can do that. I have to do that. And someone criticize about yourself, don't look out. Don't go with their negative talks. Don't step on any decision. Rather, committed with yourself, even if you are practicing like 2 minutes in English. That's actually happening in your life to improve your life, to improve your English, to boost your English fluency. Please look at positive vibes and always keep with passions, always keep with study, always keep with practicing English. You know, without practicing English, you can't get anything in the world. If you think that I don't need any job, then that's very easy. But if you are starting any business, then you have to create a meeting with your other country's client, right? So you have to talk in English. You have to say in English, right? I think you understand. And if you have any confusion about that, please let me know in my comment section and comment below that I am so much motivated to practice English. Don't wait for anything. Especially I'm also beginner, so if I make any mistake to create sentence, you have to notice and let me know in my comment section. I will try to solve the problem and be consistent, be happy, be motivated. If this message hurt you, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content for real conversation. Practice English in every single day. Let's grow together.